So in this quick tutorial, I'll be walking you through the steps to cancel your MetaQuest Plus subscription. Let's get started. So first, open your web browser and go to MetaQuest website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. In the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now look for the subscription section on the left side and click on it. You'll see your current subscriptions listed here. Find MetaQuest Plus and select it. Next, click on the Cancel Subscription button. Now, follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Don't forget, your subscription will remain active until the end of the billing period. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your MetaQuest Plus subscription.